Hi everyone, welcome back to Thanh An Hair channel. My name is Alice. Today I will introduce to you the topic top 3 most popular hairstyle in summer 2024.
Okay, firstly I will introduce you straight hair. Straight hair is completely natural hair, smooth, straight without heat and chemical. In Asian countries, we are the main exporter of hair extension products. Especially Vietnam, people are usually born with straight and black hair, such as Hồ Ngọc Hà singer Miss World Vietnam 2019 Lương Thùy Linh. In addition, another straight hair is more straight hair. More straight hair is already straight with heat. However, it remains a silky, soft, and shiny texture. This type of hair is the favorite choice of many women worldwide, especially women in African or Latin American countries, such as Naomi Campbell, Rihanna. Secondly is wavy hair. The hair type known as wavy hair extension has hair strands that maintain their alignment and have many shapes like giveaway, S-shape, C-shape. Like wavy, this hairstyle looks very natural and attractive, so it's very popular in European countries such as Russia and Germany. Just some famous people have owned this hair like Angelina Jolie, Emma Watson. And finally is curly hair. Curly hair is mainly natural hair for African American people. It can offer a lot of different textures like African curly, Latin American curly, Cambodian curly. To keep your curl looking their best, keep in mind that curly hair tend to be dry, so don't want them too often and use care products especially for curly hair. Go to the salon to take care of your hair and maintain the curl longer and extend the time of wearing such a hairstyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye!